codes. Trying to get the codes. Found one. Let's see what it is. Okay, I got a PO442. It says evaporative emissions system leak detected. Small leak. PO442. I'll take my heat gun and blow some hot air up in there. There's not much to it. E-Vap charcoal canister. The E-Vap system on this 2017 Chevy Impala. It detaches. There's a wire connector here. It wouldn't come out, so I just clip the wire. It's gonna reconnect it from here to the vehicle, and this just simply plugs in. And you got a bolt that's holding this on a bracket on the side of the like the rear frame, right next to, right to the rear, to the left of the gas tank. Bam. And there you go.